wondering, have you subscribed our channel? Did you say yes? So it's a really great news. Thanks for subscribing our channel. For the further updates, you have to be tuned on our channel. Today, I am Himanshi, working in the #1 manufacturing and exporting company of surgical tables and surgical line, that is Koinamed India Private Limited. Gonna represent to you our surgical operating table with the sliding top, that is 104 advance. This table has 5-section top, having the head section, back section, kidney bridge, pelvic section with the perennial cut and the leg section. We're gonna provide you the shoulder support, the pair of armrest, side support, anesthesia screen and the pair of lithotomy crutches as the standard accessory. This table has 304 stainless steel fitting. If you can see the base of the table, we have provided eccentric pillar, and this table having 2 remote systems. One remote is available on the pillar of the table and the second you will get the wire remote. This table is used for general surgery, vascular surgery, cardiosurgery, neurology, urology, gynecology, proctology, laparoscopy, traumatic surgery, plastic surgery and other surgeries as well. This table has non-reflecting surface, that is antibacterial and easy to clean. The length of the table is 2000 mm and the width of the table is 750 mm. On the head section, we have provided a feature of gas spring. You can see by pressing this up, the head section will move to upwards. By pressing and putting the pressure on the top, you can see it will go downwards. As this is the electric operation table, now I will let you know the feature of this table with the help of the remote. I will operate the position with this wire corded remote. You can have a look to this remote. This is the wire corded remote. We have provided LED backlight system to this remote. Now I will operate the position with the help of this remote. You can see the table is going upwards. Now the table will go downwards. The minimum and the maximum height of the table is 750 mm to 1000 mm. Now I will let you know the other position with the help of this remote. I'm going to operate the Trendelenburg. Now I'm going to show you the sliding of tabletop. The sliding of the tabletop will work 5 inches forward and 5 inches back. I'm going to show you the zero positioning of this table. I'm going to operate several positions with the help of remote to the tabletop, and you can see how the zero positioning will work. Now you can see in the tabletop I have operated several positions. Okay. With the help of zero button available on the remote, I'm going to press this and you can see the table will come to its actual position. Here you can have a look. That's it. It's come to its actual position. The remote will operate the same position. If you can have a closer, you get the feature of this position. Even you get the feature of memory 1 and memory 2, where memory 1 and memory 2 are the 2 features in which you can set the positions. I will show you the floor locking system of this table. If you can see on the base of the table, we have provided manual floor locking. By rotating this knob, you can lock the table. As you can see on the base of the table, we have also provided auto provision That means you can also connect the author attachment with this table.